Just out in Japan, these fresh fashion styles all use a new, infinitely recyclable textile material. This unique yarn could help reduce the estimated 7 million tonnes of clothing waste the EU produces every year. Welcome to Green Japan, and in this episode we're exploring how this innovative material produced by microorganisms could help us shift towards a real circular economy model in fashion. We're here in Italy to meet some luxury brands who are already using it. But first, let's go to Japan to see how it's made. Suruoka in northwestern Japan is known for its fine food and tradition of silk making. Today it's home to this factory producing a whole new class of cloth. It's called Brewed Protein and it's made by microorganisms in metal tanks. Japanese scientist Kazuhide Sekiyama spent 20 years perfecting the production process.
Brewed Protein は、微生物に植物由来の糖を食べさせて、でその微生物が作るタンパク質、このタンパク質を使って作られた、新しい素材です。
This is what the protein material actually looks like, a pale cream thread similar to wool, cashmere or silk. The researchers are finding ways to feed the microbes anything from agricultural waste to discarded clothing. Mr. Sekiyama explains the process.
目的のタンパク質を微生物がたくさん作ってくれますので、それを抽出、生成する。でさらにその生成されたタンパク質、粉状のものですけども、これをさらに溶媒に溶かして繊維状に加工します。でそうすると最終的にはこういった、連続繊維として、取れてきますので、この繊維をアパレルであったりですとか、さまざまな産業分野で使えるような形に、加工して、いきます。
In Europe, a traditional Italian textile mill is already using the brewed protein material. Zegna Barufa Lane Borgosesia is best known for its fine merino wool, and now they're producing a new yarn using 70% wool and 30% brewed protein. Here's CEO Lorenzo Piacentini.
Che questa fibra ha delle qualità molto interessanti, ha un tocco molto soffice, un aspetto lucido che ricorda la seta e in generale delle caratteristiche simili al cashmere.
The company is beginning to commercialize the blended yarn with production of a few thousand kilograms in 2025. Further ahead, they expect double-digit growth because demand is strong.
Questa combinazione fra merino wool e brewed protein fiber in realtà risponde a una domanda del mercato e dei consumatori sempre più importante. Avere dei garments che abbiano delle fibre di qualità e fortemente circolari. È una tendenza che è soprattutto forte nelle nuove generazioni e che sarà sicuramente il driver dei prossimi anni.
The demand for sustainable solutions means several Japanese fashion brands are already marketing clothes that blend in the microbe-made materials. Here in Europe's fashion hub Milan, the Caring Group, owners of brands like Gucci and Saint Laurent, are also studying how to use it. At their Materials Innovation Lab, director Christian Tubito sees brewed protein adding durability and a sporty feel to coats, scarves and accessories.
For me, every time that I touch this kind of materials, it's like to open a world of possibilities, and that needs to be discovered, that needs to be investigated.
Part of that process is working with Spiber's sustainability expert Kenji Higashi in the Biocircular Materials Alliance, an industry initiative to create clothes that were conceived to be ready for recycling by microorganisms.
We're trying to figure out how you can design a product using combinations of materials and chemicals that have a way out, have a way to be recycled. Which combinations of fibers can be separated at the end of use? Which dyes are compatible with circularity at the end of use?
There are many technical challenges to overcome, but the vision is for a new kind of recycling where biomaterials are continuously regenerated in an endless loop.
The mechanical recycling has a lot of limitations. With these new technologies that are able to reproduce virgin-like materials, I think it's a big, huge ambition for the whole industry, I would say.
Well, that's all we have time for, but you can read a lot more about the circular economy on Euronews.com. And I'll see you next time.